Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in English we are going to see writing skill for 5 marks, that is letter writing. Now the written messages, accounts of events or the request sent for one person to another is a kind of a letter. Now letters can be classified into informal letter and formal letters. Now informal letters we write to our friends, parents, relatives which are not formal in its content are called as informal letters. Now we see the definition of formal letters. The letters to the editors, organizations when apply for jobs or other reasons, letters to government officials, etc. are letters which are expected to be formal. These letters must be to the point. Now every letter, whether it is formal or informal, it must contain the sender's address and date. Address is expected in a formal letter. The addressee must be addressed in the manner expected depending on whether the letter is formal or informal. The matter organized in paragraphs should convey what one wants to. Finally, subscription and signature concludes the letter. Now we are going to see the purpose of the formal letter. What are the purposes why we write the formal letters? Let us see according to this web diagram. Enquiry about something, complaint about services, suggest solutions, place order for things which distributors, apply for leave, create awareness of problems in the newspaper, request to take action, bring issues to the notice of the official person. Now, these formal letters can be divided into 3 paragraphs. Now, the first paragraph will have introduce the purpose of the letter. In the second paragraph, express in detail why the letter is written. And in the third paragraph, conclude the letter and take a leave. Always the formal letters are very short. Now the formal letters are addressed to the official authorities, would be the employers, newspaper editors and the like. Such letters require specific formal wordings. They are brief and to the point. However, emotions and opinions should be expressed through proper words. Now, the general format for the formal letter is sender's address, PIN code, date, name, designation and address of the recipient, subject, a phrase about the general content of the letter. Then the reference referring to a letter previously received or advertisement, etc. And salutation, that is dear sir, madam, respected madam, sir. Body of the letter in 3 to 4 paragraph. Then the subscription, that is the closing, like your faithfully, your truly, then your name. Okay, we are going to see one example of the formal letter here. Write a letter to the editor, the City Times, complaining about the frequent failure of electricity in our city. Suggests the measures for improvement. Now, the address here is, all it is in the left alignment, Meet Kumar, 6 Suman Apartment, VP Road, Miraj, that is 416410, that is a PIN code. Then it is written on a particular date. Suppose today's date we will take, that is 8th of July 2020. Subject, complaint about frequent power failure. Sir, Miraj is fast turning into a village. Failure of electricity is the rule rather than the exception in this city. There is no fixed time or day for power outage. How much can we bear in the name of load shedding? The state electricity, now here the second paragraph starts. The state electricity board should tie up with other power plants to provide regular electric supply to these and other towns. More importantly, those who are robbing electricity should be identified and strict action should be taken against them. Now in the third paragraph, see there, apart from the inconvenience, power cuts also result in great economic loss to the city. Hope the authorities concerned will open their eyes to the reality and act sooner than later. This is the concluding paragraph. Yours truly, Meet Kumar. Now the marking scheme here is sender's address and date. It concludes of about half marks. Then the recipient's address, that is of for half marks. Then the subject and the main body, that includes 2.5 marks. And the subscription and closing, that is half marks. And grammar, whatever the grammatical mistake, if you are not done and very proper it is, then it can get you 1 mark. So total 5 marks. This is what is the formal letter. Now we move on to the informal letters. Informal letters are written to the people whom you know very well or they are close to you. They include the letters to the parents, brothers, sisters, cousins, nieces, nephews, uncles, aunts, grandparents, friends, and all those who are familiar or acquainted with us. Now the style of these letters is casual, and if you are conversing with them, hence you must use the simple vocabulary. Emotions and opinions should be expressed through the proper words in this kind of letter. Now the general format for an informal letter is, here there is sender's address, then the pin code, then the date, then the salutation, that is my dear. Now here the subject is not there. Okay. Now the body of the letter is in 3 paragraphs. Subscription, that is the complimentary. Close like yours affectionately, yours lovingly, yours loving friend, that's it. Then at last your name. Okay. We are going to see one of the specimen example of the informal letter. Write a letter to your friend describing the annual day at your school. Okay. Now the address here is D15 Dastur Chaul Market Road, Mahagaon, that is 445205. This is the pin code. Now this letter was written on 20th of January 2019. Dear Priya, here our dear Priya, our school annual day got over yesterday and today is a holiday. A very well deserved holiday, I must say. Now this is the starting. It should be interesting. Then it starts. The last 10 days were hectic. I was in charge of the guest committee and there were invitations to be printed and sent. Chairs to be hired, nameplates to be made, and so on. I also participated in the Koli dance, and the rehearsals were indeed tiring. Our dance teacher is a perfectionist and would make us practice the whole day. Here it ends the second paragraph. Now the third paragraph. You will be happy to know what I won the Best Girl Award. Mummy and Daddy were so thrilled and proud. The function went on like clockwork. Mr. Tamhane, the famous environmentalist, was our chief guest. Mrs. Tamhane gave away the prizes. This was followed by the variety entertainment program. Our Koli dance got a standing ovation. The best part was the declaration of the 2-day holiday. This was greeted with loud cheers and claps. We now have 2 days to relax and unwind. So, do write to me soon and tell me what is happening out there. Your loving friend Anita. So, there is a description of the annual day here which is made by her. Now let us see the marking scheme here. Here sender's address and date, it gives you half marks. Salutation gives you half marks. Now the main body and the closing, that gives you 3 marks, and then the grammar part, it gives you 1 mark. Okay, so that's what it concludes into 5 marks. So with this sample we can understand the formal and the informal letter, which we had already studied in the other classes as well. Alhamdulillah, with this we end today's session. Inshallah we'll continue next time. Jazakallah.